In this particular video, I'm going to show you how some users use MarketXLS to trade, manage, and control their option positions using Excel directly and trade from there. MarketXLS is a platform which brings in real-time data from all stock exchanges for stocks, options, cryptocurrencies, mutual funds, and ETFs directly into your Excel spreadsheet. And then from there, our partner Tradier allows you to trade directly from MarketXLS Excel spreadsheet. Let's see how. So let's say you had a position, an iron Condor for SPY, like so. So you have these 4 positions. You can manage them. Looking at the real-time data like I'm looking at it right now, you can see what your total delta positions are, what your theta is. You can bring in a lot of variables for particular options, as you can see from here, and see like if you type in options. This is the website for MarketXLS. It tells you for the particular option, there's so many different statistics and data you can get. You can get their trade volume, the share value, the ask price, bid price, previous close, the complete option chain, option statistics, Vega, and all kind of Greeks in there. So you can get all of these values. You can bring them into by adding columns here, and then you can analyze based on them. You can create your own rules on when you want to close the position. When you want to close the position, you simply click on this Tradier link, like so, and it loads your brokerage platform with the particular option with a complete details. For example, in this particular case, we are closing the sell. We sold it, so we're going to buy. So we're going to buy to close 431. Let's see, buy to close 431 right here. See that? And similarly, so once you click on it, the whole position is directly loaded into your trading platform from where you can preview it and submit it directly. All right. There are many templates like this which are available on MarketXLS website. As you can go here, you can type in templates and you can see option strategies. There's 67 different templates out there. You can take any of them and you can modify them to suit your purpose. So there are templates for long butterfly, bear put spread, bull put strategy, strap straddle. I mean, there are many of them which you might want to use, condors. And then once you have them, you can download them, and then you modify them, and then you prepare a Tradier link to close or open the position. It's very easy to make this Tradier link. What I've done is I've written the details down here. Thank you.